How to add dollar on MetaMask. Are guys facing issues to add dollar on MetaMask application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MetaMask on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, now look at the right side of your screen where you can see this plus icon. Tap on it. Now click in search bar and search for dollar. Just select this box to add dollar on MetaMask application. Now hit the next button. You can see the option for import. Click on it. As soon as you click on import, dollar will be added on MetaMask application. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna add dollar on MetaMask application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And if you guys have any issues regarding MetaMask, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.